Oops, I did it again. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today's video, we have a Christian Louboutin unboxing. So let's get into it. So before I get started with today's video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. I make videos every Friday on luxury content, men's style, luxury unboxings, you name it, it's here on this channel. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see what I got from Christian Louboutin, then keep on watching. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Jonathan, you literally just purchased a pair of shoes last week and unboxed them. Why did you purchase another pair? And to be honest, you know that little thing that everybody has called self-control? Well, for me, apparently mine is broken because once I see a sale or once I know that there's a sale, I just completely lose self-control and I just have to go out and buy it. And these were also 40% off, so I really just couldn't say no. So let's just get into the unboxing so you can see what kind of shoes that I did pick up. So I did order these from Vancouver, Canada, and let me tell you, the shipping from Vancouver to Toronto is really fast. It came in about 2 or 3 days. I want to say I did order these on the Monday and they did arrive on the Thursday. So I was super happy about that. I did not expect them to come that quickly. So I ordered it from the Holt Run Crew that is in Vancouver. So let's get into the unboxing to show you what the new shoes that I got. Just gonna take off the ribbon like so. Okay, and then opening up the box. Okay, so you do get the receipts as well as the dust bag. So here you do get the small dust bag. I don't have the longer one just because the shoe does not have any shoelaces, so that might be a small indication as to what it might be. But then again, similar to the last shoe that I showed you, you do get 5 spikes as replacements. I'm just gonna put these back in the bag just so I don't lose them. Okay, and then you do get a little receipt holder. It does say love your red soles, and then there's a little disclaimer saying that the soles are delicate, so they ask that you wear them on carpeted flooring. If not, they might not be suitable for return. And then you do get your actual receipts. So for the price, because I did mention it in the last video, these are actually called the Roller Boat Flats in calfskin. So these do retail in Canada for 1,495 Canadian dollars, and then just after taxes, it is 1,675 Canadian dollars. However, I did get these on sale for 40% off, so my total came out to 1,005 Canadian dollars, which is pretty good. So I saved about $600. And then you do get the itemized receipts and the tracking label here as well. But let's just get into the actual shoe itself because I know that's what you guys want to see. Okay, so putting this to the side. Okay, so any guesses? Okay, so similar to the last pair, he did wrap them in both dust bags. So I'm gonna take out the one dust bag for you. Any last minute guesses, anybody? So these are the roller boats in the white calfskin leather. I'm absolutely amazed with this shoe. I honestly was looking for another white pair of shoes just because I wear my Gucci Aces to death. And I feel as though it's time for me to retire those and start to wear these ones. So absolutely love the shoe. So going over a little bit of overview. So as I mentioned, this doesn't have any shoelaces, so it is like a slip-on. And it does have the full shoe coated in the spikes. So this is what the side looks like. This is what the back looks like. The other side. The front view. And then this is what the bottom of the shoe looks like. I absolutely love the white shoe with the contrast to the red sole. I think it just makes the sole pop out even more. And then it does have Christian Louboutin's signature. And then it does say Christian Louboutin here. and then it does say made in Italy. So I did get these in a size 41 and a half. As I mentioned in my previous video, I am a true size 8.5, which is a 41 and a half in Euro sizes. So for all of my Christian Louboutin shoes, I do only get them in a size 41 and a half, if you wanted to know. So they, in my opinion, they do run true to size. Let's go ahead and open up the second one, just so that way you can see it. Wow, this is the second pair, or like the second shoe. And then I'll go ahead and show them both. This is what they both look like. Side views of both. The backs of both. And then obviously the bottoms. Honestly, I'm so excited to wear these. I just think that these are like a very like, they will elevate any outfit that you wear them with, and with the whole shoe being covered in spikes, I think it's just like a very, very like a bold statement that you'll make. So I'm super, super excited to wear these. I feel as though I might have to be a little bit more careful with these ones compared to the last ones that I did unbox, just because like as you can see, like the shoe is completely covered in spikes. So I feel as though like it would be a little bit more easier to like, if I were to like trip or like hit something, like one of the spikes would fall off, just because there is a lot more surface area for the chance to have the spikes fall off. If it does, I don't know, I don't even know how they put these on. I think they make glue these on, I'm not too sure. But yeah, so I'm absolutely loving this. This is definitely going to be like a summer shoe, or like an office casual shoe for like casual Fridays. Like, I'm just super, super, super excited to start to wear these shoes. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. This was my quick unboxing of my new Christian Louboutin shoes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.